This video explains 10BASE-T1S Ethernet for beginners. "10BASE-T1S Ethernet is a type of network technology that allows devices to communicate with each other using a single pair of wires. Traditional Ethernet cabling typically uses 4 pairs of wires. It's like a modern upgrade to older networking systems, designed to simplify connections and reduce costs. This is especially useful in industries like automotive and industrial automation. In the past, connecting devices in a network was complex, often requiring different protocols and gateways to translate between them. The IEEE, a standards organization, created the 10BASE-T1S standard in 2019 to address these issues, offering a more streamlined approach. The IEEE standard for 10BASE-T1S is IEEE 802.3 CG. The standard establishes 10BASE-T1S technology, which delivers 10 megabits per second speeds. It also supports multi-drop transmission for at least 8 transceiver nodes. The nodes can connect to a common mixing segment of up to 25 meters. According to the IEEE specification, it is possible to use more than 8 nodes and transmit over longer distances. The technology has roots in the automotive industry, where reliable communication is crucial for various components within a vehicle. 10BASE-T1S is used in factories and other industrial settings to connect sensors, controllers, and other devices, improving communication and automation. It enables various vehicle applications in the automotive industry, such as connecting sensors and actuators. It does this by supporting zonal architectures and reducing weight and cable complexity. 10BASE-T1S is also finding its way into IoT or Internet of Things devices. It allows them to connect to networks more efficiently. Here are some advantages of 10BASE-T1S. It simplifies networking. It eliminates the need for gateways, devices that translate between different network protocols. This simplifies the network and reduces costs. It is cost-effective. It uses a single pair of wires, reducing cabling costs and the number of switch ports needed. It's scalable. Multiple devices can operate on the same bus line, making it easier to add more devices to the network. It uses a system called Physical Layer Collision Avoidance, PLCA, to prevent data collisions and ensure timely communication, which is crucial for real-time systems. By using fewer wires and simpler connections, it reduces the overall weight of the system. This is particularly important in automotive applications. Here are some disadvantages of 10BASE-T1S to take note of. Compared to other Ethernet technologies like 100BASE-TX or 1000BASE-T1, 10BASE-T1S has a lower data rate of 10 megabits per second. This may not be sufficient for applications that require high bandwidth. While it can support connections up to 25 meters in a multi-drop configuration, this distance may be limiting in some applications. Here is an analogy and 2 examples to help you understand 10BASE-T1S better. Imagine a group of houses connected to a single telephone line. In the old days, this was called a party line. 10BASE-T1S is similar, where multiple devices share the same communication line. Think of all the sensors in a modern car: tire pressure sensors, temperature sensors, etc. 10BASE-T1S can connect these sensors using a single pair of wires, reducing the amount of wiring needed in the vehicle. In a factory, 10BASE-T1S can connect various machines and controllers, allowing them to communicate and coordinate their actions in real time.